Good morning, second graders, and welcome to math. We have finished chapter 13, and I'm a little sad because I like graphs, I like data, I like finding out information from things on a chart. Let's get through this and do some practice. All right, it says, use the data to complete the tally chart. Tally charts, remember, just lines. When we get to 4 lines, then we put 1 across to make it a 5. So here we go. Face painting, 1. Games, 1. Favorite festival event, most important. You have to know why you're doing it. Games, there's 1. Dancing, that's somebody's favorite. Magic show, that's another. That's 1 for every single one. Now we keep going. Magic show, another 1. Face painting, another 1. Another 1 for face painting. There we go. A magic show. There we go. Games. There's another 1 for games. Another 1 for face painting. Magic show. And magic show. Wait, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that last one, I put a tally mark diagonal, so I know that there are 5. How many students chose magic show? I can look and say it's 1 set of 5. Which event is the least favorite? Well, the only one that has the small number of 1 is dancing. That was our least favorite. Modeling in real life, you want to survey 30 students. How many more students do you need to ask? So let's see. I'm going to count, right? We remember the tally chart shows 5 when it's like this. There's 5, 10, 15, 20. So I have 20, and then this 24, 24, 25, 26. I need to count 30, and I have 26. Let me see. I could do this however you would like. I have 26 here. I can count. I can say, let me see, one more. 27, 28, 29, 30. I just did this over here. How many more people would I need to ask to get all the way up to 30? Well, there's 4 more tally marks. I would need to ask 4 more students. How many more students need to have red hair so that the numbers of students with red hair and blonde hair are equal? Well, red hair only has 2, and blonde hair has 5 plus 4 more, so that's 9. I wanted to find out the difference. Remember, to find the difference, it's a subtraction problem. I have 9 here. I only have 2 here, right? Red hair and blonde hair. The difference between 9 and 2, if I count down from 9, I get 7. If I count up from 2 to get to 9, I get 7. I would need 7 more students to be able to get that answer. All right. Here we are looking at picture graphs. Favorite types of book. Each picture, each smiley face is 1 student. So let's take a look. Comics has this many. Fiction, this many. Nonfiction, magazine, this many. Which type of book do exactly 7 students like best? All we have to do is find the one that has exactly 7, not approximately, exactly. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the only one that has exactly 7. This one has 7 plus 1 more. This one has less than 7, and this one has less than 7. Exactly 7 would be comics. How many more students chose magazine than fiction. So this one, I can look and say magazine and fiction. I can do it with math. I can do it with picture. I can look on the chart. So I look and these two are the same. 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 Now, this one has no more, right? Fiction has no more. Magazine has 1, 2, 3, 4 more. There are 4 more students chose magazine than chose fiction. I could do that with a math problem. I could say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away minus 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. All right, I think I'm going to leave number 13.3 to you. You go ahead and transfer this information onto this chart and do that. All right, read and interpret the bar graph. Bar graphs, remember, they are solid. They're not pictures. How much rain, this is a rainfall chart, and this is inches. How much rain fell on Tuesday? So I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Tuesday, I start here at 0, go up, up, up. When I get to the top, when I get to the end of that bar, I go across 3. 3, what is it? Inches. Important to put your words. Which day did it rain the least? And the least, that would be the smallest bar. The last day, Thursday. Which day? Thursday. And how much more rain fell on Monday than Wednesday? And let's take a look at this. I have this much that fell on Monday and this much that fell on Wednesday. I look at the ends. I can say this on Monday was 5 inches. And I'm going to take it away from the 4 inches on Wednesday. 5 inches minus 4 inches is 1. But I want to say 1 inch. All right. Let's see. We may come back to this, but I might have you do that one on your own. All right. Read and interpret plot lines or line plots. So, complete the line plot. Feather lengths in centimeters. Feather number 1 is 14 inches. So I put that right there. Feather number 2 is 13. Feather number 3 is 15. Feather number 4 is 12. There are 0, right, that are 11 and 0 that are 10. How many feathers are longer than 13 centimeters? So I look at my line plot. How many are longer than 13? Well, here's 13. And if it is 13, it's not longer than 13. So I have 1, 2. 2 are longer. And because they are further along the chart. Because they are higher up the number line. Excellent. All right. You know what, boys and girls? I'm just going to go ahead and work on these with you. Use an inch ruler to measure the lengths of 5 toys to the nearest inch. Then complete the line plot. Now, I went ahead and measured some toys that I have laying around here. And the first one that I measured was 8 inches long. The next one was 5 inches. The next one was 9 inches. Toy number 4 was 5 inches, and toy number 5 was 7 inches. I need a chart. I need to make my numbers that have at least 5 and go all the way up to at least 9. I can't stop at 8 because then I won't have a place for this one. So I will start at 5 and keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's put these on there. 8 gets 1 vote or 1 measurement, 1 data point. Toy number 2 is 5. Toy number 3 is 9. Toy number 4 is also 5, so I have 2 X's here. Toy number 5 is 7. There, I don't have to find a 6-inch toy. I don't have to find a 10-inch toy. These are the measurements that I have. If you want to do this on your own and measure your toys around your house, you can do that. And just find 5 different toys to measure. You can do this. What is the length of the longest toy? Well, the longest toy, not the length of what I wrote down as the highest number, the longest toy was 9 inches. All right, so let's go back to the one that we did here. Making the bar graph. Complete this bar graph. It has 2,000 hurricanes in the North Atlantic. 2012, I have 2 sets of 5. 5 plus 5 for 2012 makes 10, so I go all the way to the end. 2013, there were only 2, right? 1, 2. 2014 is 5 plus 1 more. 2014, 5 plus 1 more. 2015, there are 4. And then it says how many hurricanes were there in 2012 and 2013. When they say and, they mean together. So how am I going to do that? This number and this number? My boys and girls, that is an addition problem. So 2012 number here, 2013 number here equals our answer. 2012, there were 10. 2013, there were 2. 10 plus 2 equals 12. In 2012 and 2013, there were 12 hurricanes in the North Atlantic. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Pay close attention, rewatch this, do whatever you need to do to really know how to do this, because we are going to ask you to do some information and some assessments, some tests on these. All right, some quizzes. Don't worry about it. I know that you're going to do great. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later.